Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 2010 Chevy Impala LS, 62, 88 miles, stock number 4222, and this is a salvage vehicle. And as you can see, this vehicle does have hail damage. I'll point out that the roof has got hail damage on it. We'll try to cover most of it here. And the sail panel here also has some of it. We'll go ahead and do the right side, and you can see there's some into the top of the quarter. The lower part of the quarter looks good, and then this side is the lighter side. We do have there's some on this molding on the top on the rear door, and then also on the top edge of the door. And there's a little ping on the passenger door. You can see the fender does also have some, and the hood it's got quite a few on them. Headlights are good, bumper cover's good. And we'll open up the hood. It does have a 3500 V6 in it. Running good. Only damage to this car is the hail on it. And you can see the top of this fender also has some pings on it. And also this outer portion of the roof. It's also got hail dents on it. And then the quarter's got hail damage a little farther down on this side. And the same thing into the door. And then this top molding. Same thing here, that top edge molding on the front door also. And the trunk lid's got a few in it too in the back. You can see there, I don't know how well it's going to show up on the camera, but there is hail damage in the trunk. And the rear bumper cover and the tail lights are both good. And I'll give you a description of it. Does have power windows, power locks, air cruise on the steering wheel, tilt, CD player. You can see there's no warning lines on it. It's only got 6,200 miles on it. Interior is very clean for the year. No airbags, of course, are deployed. And we do have the owner's manual for it too. Point that out. And we also have the floor mats too. They're in the trunk and they're brand new, so we didn't install those yet. And I'll give you a view of the back seat. A lot of my customers that commute a lot just buy these cars and drive them. So if you're in that category, please come and take a look at it. And it also can be repaired. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. There'll be some information how you can sign up to our YouTube channel and receive free video updates. Thank you again. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube. And I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is repairables.com. And you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post a video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there is also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold, and it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, you know, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, Repairables.com, and I want to thank you again. Thanks again.